What's the meaning of comfort? Comfort. Comfort.
Comfort. Comfort. Comfort refers to a state of physical or psychological ease, often achieved through the reduction of stress or discomfort. This state can be attained by various means, such as feeling safe and secure, having access to basic needs, or experiencing pleasure and relaxation. The result of comfort is typically a sense of tranquility, contentment, and well-being, which can lead to improved health, productivity, and happiness. Comfort can also create a sense of connection with others, as it often involves social interaction and emotional support.